Yo, what is going on guys? It is Caspahz here, and today we are going to be talking about the leaked zombies menu settings and the customization of the menu music. Like always, I will have the original source in the description, so if you want to check it out for yourselves, the link will be there. Players will now be able to adjust their FOV or field of view settings. This was always possible on PC, however this will also now be possible on console. The next thing I want to talk about, which is new to every zombies player, is the fact that there is going to be a compass on the HUD. You will be able to toggle this option on and off depending on your preference. Also, for the first time, when you are now fighting zombies in Cold War, the damage output will be displayed on the screen. You also have the option to turn this on and off. In addition, you will also be able to display the name of the zombies and their health bars. The name of the zombie could simply be referring to a normal zombie or a special zombie such as a Margwa or a Panzer. Finally, I would now like to talk about the customizable menu music in Cold War Zombies. With reference to the leaks, there will now be 59 unique tracks to select from. Those 59 tracks have been compiled from previous soundtracks in Call of Duty Black Ops games. If you have a track in mind and you want to see if it's going to be implemented in the game, I will have the link below from which you can take a look at the full list. With Black Ops Cold War being released in just a couple days, I want to say that this is most likely going to be my last video until it's released. I will be working very hard to bring you the best possible tutorials, guides, strategies so that you're on top of your game. If that's something that you would not like to miss out on, make sure you hit that subscribe button below this video and you'll be notified every time I upload. And until next time, it's been Caspahz and I'm out. Peace.